Hello, Assalamualaikum, and a very good evening, everyone. My name is Mama Afiq bin Jama Muhammad, matrix number 206003.
Hi everyone, my name is Karthikan and my matric number is 207324.
So today we'll be doing our rehearsal presentation, and our topic the topic that we choose is benefits of pre-constructed construction materials. So before we proceed to speak about the benefits of it, what are pre-constructed construction materials? Well, in to be honest, in the construction world, it's not known as pre-constructed, but due to a lot of the audiences here do not actually understand, mm, who might not understand the word the construction will use. So that's why we use this word pre-constructed. But then there's another word, and it's called prefabricated. It has the same meaning as pre-constructed, except that prefabricated is more specialized and more specific uh, for this topic, or for this you can say material, because fabricated or fabrication is a form of manufacturing or creation for engineering materials such as steel, concrete, and sorts. So that's to clear out the that's for clearing out the the confusion that you guys might have. So the next thing is, so so now we got that out of the way. Um, Prefabricated materials are used for buildings that are manufactured off-site, meaning off the construction site, or yeah, that's what I meant. And it is shipped later to be assembled at the final location, or hence the construction site that the project is going on. So examples of um, prefabricated or pre-constructed construction materials are aluminum, steel, wood, fiberglass, and concrete. These are the main ones. So from that, an example of a use of these prefabricated, um, let's say a prefabricated steel. So we have galvanized steel and gal volume is a form of steel coated with aluminum and zinc. So aluminum and zinc is another type of metal. So they use they use these two metals and mix it with no they mix it together, and they coat it on the steel bar to make it more stronger and more versatile. So by forming these types of steel, well, it is for the reason why these materials are formed is because it is to protect the building against corrosion, rust, and fire, and it also provides a sturdy and protective covering to the prefabricated buildings. So as you can see, buildings that are using prefabricated materials are called prefabricated buildings. So that's another thing that you should know. So without further ado, let's talk about the benefits. So based on our research, we have found a lot of benefits, and there's just a lot. But for now, we picked two of the most significant ones as a starter for you all to see a bigger picture of how much it actually affects the world of construction. So these are the two benefits. So the first one, we have compiled everything, and there are two general ones. The first one is it improves work efficiency, and the second one, it improves the economy of this country. So I will be talking about the work efficiency part, and my friend Karthikan will talk about the economy part. So the next the next thing I will talk about is, yeah, the first one, work efficiency. So how does the pre-constructed construction materials improves work efficiency? So the first thing is in many instances, pre-construction takes less than half the time when compared to the traditional construction. So the reason why this happens is because of several factors. First one being better upfront planning. Second one is elimination of on-site weather factors. Third one being subcontractor scheduling delays, where because materials, in order for materials to come in, construction sites, they need to have certain schedules. So by doing this, it actually prevents scheduling delays. And finally, quicker fabrication, as in quicker construction of the materials, as multiple pieces can be constructed simultaneously, meaning it can be constructed at the same time in one place without having the complications of getting it from various other places. So that is the first point. And the second one, it reduces site disruption. So what do they mean by site disruption? Is that disturbances, or you can say uh, inconveniences happening in the site itself. So why this happens is because this limits the disruption of traditional job sites that suffer from noise, pollution, waste, and other common irritants. So these things are, you can say, reduced, but not prevented, because we can never prevent these kind of things in a scale where it's 0%. But it reduces, making it easier for people and the project to be at ease. So I guess that's all from the work efficiency aspect. Now I'll pass to my friend Karthikan to explain more of the second point.
Thank you, Afiq. Okay, now if we see the other benefits of prefabricated construction material, it is improves the economy of country in various aspects. So prefabricated construction would be financial savings, although the perception of custom-made pieces may seem expensive. With prefabricated or modular construction, this is not the case. And modular construction targets all the budgets and price points, creating an affordable option. Prefabrication manufacturers often receive bulk discounts from the material suppliers, which then trickles down to the cost of a construction project. And it is also sidesteps the possibility of unreliable contractors and unproductive staff. Additionally, the reduction in the construction time can significantly save on construction financing costs. The construction industry increase in construction costs annually, which makes profit margins smaller each year. With temperate weather and longer daylight hours, creates an increase in demand for materials and labor, which drives the price up for both, which are demand for materials and labor. For instance, there is a hotel expected to open in the late 2020 that will be the tallest prefabricated structure named as Marriott AC Nomad Hotel in the Manhattan, New York. And it is in the process of being assembled and set to stand 26 stories high. Because this project is using prefabricated methods, Marriott can minimize labor costs and waste because the building will only take 90 to assemble it. In terms of cost, it would cost approximately 70 million US dollar to construct this building. But if we take it in the New York City, the cost of a comparable building would cost around 100 million US dollar. So my second point is, since prefabricated construction occurs in a controlled manufacturing environment and follows specific standards, the sub-assemblies of the structure will be built to form a uniform quality. Construction site build structures are dependent upon varying skills levels and the schedules of the independent contractors. These all contribute to the craftsmanship and overall quality of a given structure, and some components of the building are constructed using precise machine equipment to ensure conformity to building code. Not only that, factory tools used in prefabrication offer additional quality assurance compared to the repeated construction on site. Sub-assemblies in prefabricated construction are produced in a controlled manufacturing environment and follow the specific standards. Therefore, it built to a uniform quality. So here, if we want to conclude, with the continued popularity of prefabrication construction, it is likely that it will only continue to grow in popularity. Customers who choose this option are able to enjoy a high quality, quicker, cost-effective, and eco-friendly construction method. Furthermore, the construction companies may soon increase their investment in modular construction process, benefiting both their business and customer relationship. Moreover, prefabricated construction is proving that extremely viable option, and as manufacturing technology continues to improve, we can expect to see its benefits and advantages rise in the future. So that's all about the conclusion and the discussion. Thank you from us. Thank you.